This is a video on inverse proportion. Inverse proportion means as one quantity increases, the other one decreases. So the example I've got here is how long it takes 3 men to build a wall. So obviously the more men you have, the less time it's going to take. So as the men increase, the hours is going to decrease. So the question is, if it takes 3 men 8 hours to build a wall, how long would it take 4 men? So I like to use a table to set out the working. And before you find 4 men, it's important to find how long it would take 1 man. So if it takes 3 men 8 hours, it's going to take 1 man 3 times as long. So to get that answer, you're going to times by 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. So it's going to take 1 man 24 hours to build that same wall. Now, if there's 4 men, they will take 4 times quicker than the 1 man took. So that is why at this step we divide, because the 4 men are going to be 4 times quicker. So we're going to divide 24 by 4 and we get 6. So it would take 4 men 6 hours to build the wall, because you'd expect 4 men to get it done quicker than just 3 men. Moving on to a second example. This is talking about an aeroplane travelling at a speed of 250 kilometers per hour, and it takes 6 hours to complete its journey. So how fast would it have to go if it wanted to complete its journey in 4 hours? So I'll put the number 4 down here. So obviously, if it's going to do it in a shorter time, it's going to have to go faster. So the speed's going to have to be increased. So find out first how fast it'd have to go if it was just 1 hour. You would have to multiply by 6 because it would be 6 times faster. So you would just do 250 times 6 and you would get 1,500 kilometers per hour. And then to find out how quick you would have to go if you had 4 hours, just divide that by 4. And you get 375. So if the plane only had 4 hours to get to its destination, the speed it would have to travel at would be 375 kilometers per hour. So when you're doing inverse proportion, just multiply first and then divide. Whereas when you did direct proportion, you would have divided first to find one quantity and then multiplied by what you were trying to find. So inverse is the opposite. Multiply first, then divide.